Hello world, this is Muhammad Mahdi. I'm from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and I'm recording this on 13 May 2026. So today I would like to present you my SQL final project CS50. And basically my project is bank account management system. So this project provides a simple MySQL system to organize and manage branches, customers, accounts, cards, and transactions. So let's jump into the project. So we can see here. So let's go firstly to design the MD. So we have an idea here. So the scope of the database is to provide a simplified banking management system that simulates the core functionality of real-world bank while remaining easy to understand and use, of course. So I have included the tables of accounts, transactions, branches, and cards associated with those customers. So, what did you include, or what I'm including in my in the scope of my database? So, the database includes customers from different financial background with varying levels of income expenditures. It also includes, as I mentioned before, bank accounts, transactions, branches, and cards associated with them. So things outside of the scope of the database. So I've excluded people and services outside the scope. I've excluded the non-bank account holders and government sector administrative systems. And this database does not represent external financial institutions like loan system and investment services or employee management within the bank. So, what is the information or what does this database contain? So, or what we'll do? So, this database will create a bank account and process everyday transactions like deposit, withdrawal, and even transfer. And it can track long-term financial records like saving it, like a statement, yeah, like a real bank's statement. So, what should the user be able to do with their database? The user should be able to create and manage fully integrated bank account systems starting from customer registration and performing regular banking transactions such as deposits, withdrawals, and transfer. So, what's beyond of what a user should be able to do with the user base with the database? Features beyond the scope include direct customer communication services such as email notifications because I have included the emails with all of those customers, and I've included the phone number so uh, the user can message with them via phone number and customer support operation. So the database will be represented by MySQL because I prefer it and I like it, and the entities that will be available here in the bank account system. I have the main entities I have mentioned earlier, which is the customer account transaction, cards, branches. So let's jump to the schema so we can have an idea or yeah. So at the top we have the customer table and we have the ID for name, national ID, with of course varchar and not all. And we have the accounts table and just like transactions, cards, and branches. And of course, I have made some bunch of views and indexes to enhance and improve the query performance. So, and of course, I have included a trigger to prevent negative variances. So, what about to try this database and do some execute some SQL query too. So to select from start, if you want to represent an accounts that are classified as savings, you can jump this and run it here, and you can see all of the accounts with the saving type. So let's run something else like to as like joins. So let's join this to represent an account type with the cards information. So let's run it here, as you can see here. all of the accounts with their card type and information. So that was my CS50's final project SQL, and I hope you like it, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much, Carlos. Thank you for this great course. Thank you, Harvard, and see you next time.